and every time we've touched this line, we have bounced back up. Okay, we then have another rising trend line which I've put in. So this one here, you can see again this area of zone. Every time we've touched it, we seem to find that support.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are going to have a look at the price of Microsoft. We are going to have a look at where it's been and where it could potentially head next. So over the month, we can see Microsoft is in the green. The other thing that we can see in the month is that we've got this area of support, which is the 348 price area. Okay, so we can see previously it's been a resistance, and then we broke above it. So we broke above it back in November 2023, and we have not been below it since. Okay, so back in April 2025, we came in, touched it, and we bounced, and then we've been back towards it and back to that line in March 26, June, and every time we've touched this line, we have bounced back up. Okay, we then have another rising trend line which I've put in. So this one here, you can see again this area of zone. Every time we've touched it, we seem to find that support. We're not going below it and settling below it. We keep bouncing. So that tells me we've got plenty of support around this area for Microsoft. So where could we be heading next? Well, we've got this green line here, which is 348 to 470. We can see it sort of trades between these two zones. So you've got the bottom area here, top, bottom. It's been above it, but guess what? It's come back in. Okay, come back in eventually, and it's dropped back in. Touch the bottom, touch the top. Okay, bottom. Where could it be heading next? Maybe the top. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. Let's go into the daily quickly and just see what we can find. So as I said, so this area here, the 348 and the 470 is the area that we need to keep an eye on. We can see that we've that rising trend line, we've touched it, we've bounced. Okay, so where could it head next? If it decides to head higher, this is the zone, yeah, 471. If it decides to come back in, we're then looking at 350 support area for Microsoft. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like what you're watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, and turn on your notification to be notified of our latest video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.